Hello, good morning everybody. Are you well? Okay, I have to discuss about Plus 2 Computer Applications, Chapter 3 Functions. What do you mean by functions? Function is a concept of modular programming. Modular programming is a large program is broken down into smaller programs. Process of breaking large programs into smaller subprograms is called modularization. The subprograms are also called functions. Functions are two types: built-in functions or predefined functions. Built-in functions are readily available to the user, but the user-defined functions are written by the user for specific tasks. Built-in functions are stored in header files. They are a part of C++ library. User-defined functions not a part of C++ library. Modular programming are used two methods, top-down and bottom method. Advantages of functions. Functions have many advantages. I have to discuss about 4 advantages. Reduction in program size, less chance of error, reduce program complexity, improve reusability. Reduction in program size. Modular approach helps to isolate repeated tasks, thus program size is reduced. Less chance of error means when size of program is reduced, syntax error will be less. Modularity helps to reduce logical error. Reduce program complexity. That helps to reduce program complexity by dividing large programs into functions. Improve reusability. Once a function is written, it can be used later. It helps to reduce development time. These advantages of functions, but two disadvantages. Modular programming requires more time and memory. Two types of functions are predefined functions and user-defined functions. Predefined functions are different types. 1. Console functions for character input-output. Console input-output functions are functions which reads directly from the keyboard and outputs to the monitor. Console input-output functions read directly from the keyboard and outputs to the monitor. Functions are getChr and putChr. This used header file are cstdio in the program. getChr and putChr are used in a program. getChr returns a single C in the keyboard and putChr displays on the screen. Stream functions for input-output operation. Stream is a group of bytes. Bytes means 4 bit. Streams are available in the form of functions stored in a IOStream header file. C++ supports a number of input-output operations. Input functions are get and getLine. Output functions are put and write. Discuss about input functions. Get and getLine. That function is accept a single character or stream through the keyboard. ch equal to cin.getch accept a character and stores in ch. GetLine function is used to accept a string through the keyboard. It reads a string until a new line character is read. The format of getLine function is cin.getLine line, size. Line means the name of variable which stores a line of text, and size specifies the maximum number of characters which can be stored in line. Once more, cin.getLine is a format and function is function line, size. Line is the name of variable which stores line of text, and size specifies the maximum number of characters which can be stored in a line. Sample program. chr str40. str is an array, 40 is a maximum size. Enter the name. Input getLine function is used. str is a string and 40 is the maximum size. Cout str. Output functions. Output functions allows flow of bytes from memory to output object cout. Put functions and write functions are used in an output function. Put function is used to display a single character and write function is used to display a string. Put function format is cout.putch and write function is format cout.write str10. Str is a string and 10 is the maximum size. Thank you. Are you understand in this? Any doubts? Please comment your comment box. Thank you.